Hi, welcome to 5-Minute Homeschool. This is our second lesson on when and where to use an apostrophe. In our last lesson, we learned all about contraction apostrophes. In this lesson, you'll learn about apostrophes that show ownership. When something is owned or possessed, we need to show that with an apostrophe. For example, this is Dad's toolbox. Because Dad owns the toolbox, we need to use an apostrophe. These glasses are Peter's. Peter owns the glasses. The lamb's wool is soft. The lamb owns its wool. In all of these examples, there is only one person or thing that owns something. Dad, Peter, the lamb. But what happens if more than one person or thing owns something? Take a look at these examples. The team's trophy was stolen. The team owns the trophy. The children's ball was stuck on the roof. The children owned the ball. There are no problems with adding an apostrophe to these plural nouns, the team, the children, but what happens if that plural noun ends in the letter S? Take a look at these examples. The twins' pet rabbit has escaped. Where does the apostrophe go? Before or after the S? Here's another example. The ladies' lunch is ready. Where does the apostrophe go? Before or after the S? See what I mean? Fortunately, there is an easy way to clear up the confusion, and it can be done with a simple question. All we need to do is ask, who owns the thing? In the first example, who owns the rabbit? The twins own the rabbit. We put the apostrophe after the answer, so it goes after the S. In the second example, who owns the lunch? The ladies own the lunch. We put the apostrophe after our answer, so it goes after the S. What about proper nouns that end with the letter S? For example, the first name Chris or the surname Jones. You may have seen an extra S added to these names. Jones's mail, Chris's toy. We have options here. Either add the extra S or drop it. Both are correct. Some pronouns also need apostrophes to show ownership. Take a look at these examples. This is someone's violin. We ask, who owns the violin? Answer, someone. The apostrophe goes after someone. We cut each other's hair. We ask, who owns the hair? Answer, each other. So the apostrophe goes after each other. It's easy, isn't it? Well, it's important to note that some pronouns never need an apostrophe. Luckily, the same simple rule still applies. For example, that is his stapler. We ask, who owns the stapler? The answer is he owns the stapler, not his, so no apostrophe is needed. The mess is ours. We ask, who owns the mess? The answer is we do, not ours, so again, no apostrophe is needed. Possession apostrophes can cause all sorts of problems, but if you stick to the simple rule, you'll avoid most of them. Thanks for watching 5-Minute Homeschool. Tune in for our final lesson on how to use apostrophes to make reading easier. Oh, there goes the bell. See you next time.